Hello and welcome to PAacademy. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to construct a square. So don't forget what a square is. A square is a four-sided shape. When we have a square, all the four sides, they are equal. So how do we construct it? So we are going to be drawing a square of we are going to construct a square of side 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter, that's 80 millimeter. So depending on the unit you are familiar with. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to draw a straight line. So on this straight line also, I'll also indicate my 8 centimeter. So from those points to this point, so this point A, B represents 8 centimeter. So the next thing I'm going to do is, from this point, point A, I'm going to draw a perpendicular line straight up. And in doing that, let me just use a small radius of 2 centimeters to get that perpendicular line. So that from point A, I'm just going to draw a semicircle downwards. So now let me, the radius here is 2. So now let me measure, is 2 centimeters. Now let me measure 4 centimeters. So with the 4 centimeters now, from those points on the semicircle, so where the semicircle is touching the line AB, I'll draw an arc. And then on the second part also, with the same 4 centimeters, I'll also draw an arc. So where they both meet, the next thing to do is to draw a straight line. Now that's our perpendicular line. We've been able to draw the perpendicular line. So the next thing to do now is to measure with our compass 8 centimeters. Don't forget that's the length of the side of the square we want to construct. So this is 8 centimeters. So from point A, I'll draw an arc of 8 centimeters. So I'll draw an arc on that perpendicular line. So this is where it is. So this is 8 centimeters. So I'll come back to point B also. Then draw an arc 8 centimeters. So where the arc we drew on the perpendicular line, let's call that point D. Point D. So where the arc is touching the perpendicular line, we'll place our compass there with the same 8 centimeters. And then we'll draw an arc across the other one that is here. So the next thing we are going to do now is to join them together. So now we can make points DA bold. So let's do this will be point C. So now let's join point C and point D together. Now point C and point B. So here is it. This is how you've been able to construct a square using just our pencil, our ruler, and our compass. So this is how to construct a square when you are given the side of the length of one of the sides. Don't forget, a square, all the sides are equal, and what we use here is a length of 8 centimeters. So that is it for this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, click on the like button, and also on the subscribe button to subscribe to PAacademy. And I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.